How to check your mouse DPI in Windows 10 and 11. Now in this very quick video, I'm going to show you how you can check your mouse DPI. Before you go ahead and do that, you're going to have to check out the settings of your mouse pointer options. By going into your Windows search and type in mouse, and then choose on mouse settings that will redirect you to mouse settings system. And here, under related settings, choose on additional mouse options. Then you will have this small pop-out window. Go into pointer options and then make sure that this option here that says enhance pointer precision, make sure this is unchecked. Hit on apply and then hit on OK. Now once you've done this, all you have to do next is to open up your preferred web browser and then simply type in DPI analyzer. Choose on the very first result, and then from here, under target distance, just simply type in 1, which stands for 1 inch. And then you're gonna click and drag this option right here all the way to the target so that you will have your actual DPI. And that's it. That's how you check your mouse DPI in Windows 10 and 11.